Hi everyone, in this video we're looking at finding the equation of a hyperbola. And if we just think about what we learned in our last video about the equations of hyperbolas, we can write a hyperbola as xy equals k, so some sort of constant, which means we can also write it as y equals k over x. And then when we're talking about transformations, we can write it as y equals k over x plus or minus a plus or minus b. And just looking at these things, a shifts it sideways, so horizontally I suppose, and then b can shift it up or down. So looking at this first example that we've got here, we could say that the equation is going to be something along the lines of y equals k over x plus or minus some number plus or minus b. Now the asymptotes are the things that give us the idea about the transformation, so that's the easiest thing to find straight away. So this one is shifted 2 to the right, so we could say it's going to be y equals k over x minus 2, and it's been shifted up by 1, so we can write it as plus 1. So the only thing left to find is the value of k. So we're given this point that our graph passes through, 5, 2, so we can put that into our equation instead of y and x. So instead of y we can write 2, and instead of x we can write 5. So let's put that in. So we can say that 2 equals k over 5 minus 2 plus 1. So let's simplify that. So 2 equals k over 3 plus 1. Subtracting 1 from both sides, k over 3 would equal 1, times both sides by 3, k equals 3. So now we've got k, and we've got a, and we've got b, so we can write out this equation in full. So the equation for this line is going to be y equals 3 over x minus 2 plus 1. Now if you want to just check that you're correct, you've always got your calculator to fall back on as well. So let's put this in and see if it makes sense. So I've got 3 divided by x plus 1, that should be minus 2, and then plus 1. And we'll actually put that on a graph so we can see it. Okay, so we can see we've got an asymptote that's above the x-axis there, and another one to the left, so that looks to be around about right. So I'll finish this video here, and in our next video we'll look at one more example.